Hi everyone, Mr. Steve 169 here, and today I've pulled the motor out of the car. We're going to be doing some cleaning and some painting. So I've got my little portable sandblaster from Harbor Freight right there, and from what I've done so far, it's working pretty good. Alright, so after about half an hour, I've got this whole side blasted clean, and you can see the mess this stuff makes. Alright, so the wind had picked up, so I wasn't able to record while I was priming it, but everything is primed. So now it's time to mix up some black and try and spray that. We'll see if the wind will cooperate a bit. See if we can't get some video of spraying the color. Alright, so I got the first coat of the black down. I found one part that I forgot to get primed, so I got that primed. I just gotta wait 20 minutes and then I can do the second coat of black. Alright, so second coat on everything is done. The generator, the water pump, fan, brackets, the engine itself. I just gotta let everything dry, put it back together tomorrow, and put it back in the car. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video. Until next time, be safe and have fun. Bye-bye.